Smooth low portion coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video again, I'm talking about SLP coin with surprise changes occur in the smooth low portion. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update video, guys. So guys, here the right now price of SLP coin smooth low portion is about 0.088939 USD dollar. That is right now price of SLP coin. And furthermore, you can see if we talk about the changes update of smooth low portion, so also the changes is also going good, and I'm very happy to see these positive changes. I love SLP coin in right now situation because obviously from yesterday the price taken a very huge pump and a massive gains occur by smooth low portion, guys. Now guys, the price is about 0.088939 USD dollars. So this price is very cheap, guys. And SLP is a good project if you want to buy smooth low portion, so I think it's a good opportunity for investment. You can see here, guys, just from 3rd October yesterday the price start moving upward. Maybe guys in the future the price decrease for short time, but at the last of October you will get profit, not loss, believe me. Anyways guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.